What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, everything is going crazy in the crypto market, and Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, everything's going crazy. So we're gonna go over this today. We're gonna talk about some technicals and some fundamentals and some stuff that's building up inside Sheep that will definitely help send us to the moon. So definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. So let's get straight to it with Shiba Inu. As you can see, the bears are controlling the Shiba Inu market. 100% controlling it, literally. So in the last 24 hours, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. So what I do want to mention here with our 100% bearish trajectory, as you can see, Shiba Inu is definitely going to be bullish long term. This is just short term. We are having short term downtrend here inside the whole crypto market, so we're short term bears. What I do want to mention right here with Shiba Inu is the green area here. The green area is our supply and demand. It shows that we have more demand for Shiba Inu out of the green area. And then over here, the red area, which we're at right now, is a very, very lightly shaded red area, but that is our supply and demand showing less demand for Shiba Inu. So what's happening here is we're slowly but surely trending down to this green area, which is our more demand, supply and demand. Meaning when we hit the area, we're actually going to go back on an uptrend. So right now, we're slowly but surely trickling down to the 33, the 000033 area. So this is going to actually end up helping us build up momentum to have another uptrend in Shiba Inu. So right now, we just got to continue to sell out a little bit here, get down to the supply and demand area, and then have a rise inside of Shiba Inu's price. We probably won't see it go below 0.00003 too soon, but just know if Bitcoin has another crash, we're definitely going to see some more losses in Shiba Inu. So I definitely want to mention some other things about Shiba Inu here. So really, Bitcoin is at 48.9K. Bitcoin is trying to get back some of those gains. So Bitcoin is actually going down more than Ethereum right now. As you can see, the dominance of Bitcoin right now at 38.6%, and the dominance of Ethereum is at 20% right now. So Ethereum is a little bit more dominant. So we may actually see Shiba Inu follow Ethereum now, for now on, a little bit more than Bitcoin. If you think about it, Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum. It's an ERC20 token. So Ethereum is definitely doing more gains than Bitcoin, is doing more recovery than Bitcoin. It's still going to follow Bitcoin ultimately, though, and still going to go on a downtrend. So as we see Bitcoin going on a downtrend, we'll see Shiba Inu do it. So if Bitcoin hits 30K, right? So or not, let's not go that low already. If Bitcoin hits 40K, if Bitcoin hits 40K, we will see Shiba Inu go down to somewhere around 0.00030 or maybe even 28. Now, if Bitcoin hits 30K, we'll see Shiba Inu go down to 0.00002. 25K, 0.00015, 20K, 0.00001, and so on and so forth. We're going to see a lot of money get lost out of these cryptos if Bitcoin keeps dropping. Now, me personally, I don't think Bitcoin is going below 20K. I know it seems low to, project to 20K. I'm not saying we're going to hit 20K. I'm saying we're not going to go below 20K. More than likely, we're probably going to end up getting somewhere in the 30K range and not going below 30K because the whales are just too heavy on Bitcoin. Now, we may not even hit 30K, but I'm not going to rule that out of the equation because it could definitely happen. So right now, I'm watching Shiba Inu with a close eye here. What I'm really looking at right now is also a lot of the BEP20 tokens that actually give you Shiba Inu rewards for holding it. I know a lot of people don't like those type of stuff, but there's also one called Shiba Army. I know a lot of people know about Shiba Army. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just telling you stuff that I'm thinking about investing in because I like passive income, so I may actually end up investing into like the Shiba Army token. There's also another one. I'm going to be looking into that and making sure that they're actually not a rug pull, and then I'll definitely tell you about it. But Shiba Army has been around for a little bit, and it's definitely proved itself to not be a scam. I don't believe it is, but remember, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is financial advice. I hope it's not a scam. But I just wanted to tell you all about some stuff that I'm going to be investing in, because as you see things dipping, you're starting to see a lot of these altcoins aren't really losing as much money as you would think. Yes, a lot of altcoins are getting hit hard, yes, but they're not going down as much as you would think they are. So I want to mention something about the altcoins as well. So the lower market cap, this is like a gem right here. the lower, low market cap altcoins, not like the $1 billion altcoins, not like the $100 million market altcoins. I'm talking about $1 million altcoins, $500,000 market cap altcoins. A lot of those altcoins aren't taking as big of a hit as you would think. They're not taking as big of a hit as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm just letting you all know that now because they have less to lose. So an altcoin that's at $1 million market cap takes the same hit as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down huge, but this $1 million market cap altcoin is going to go down to 700K. It's not going to lose as much money. It's just going to give you more of an opportunity to continue to buy more. And the reason why I'm mentioning this inside of the Shiba Inu video is because I just now told you all about the coin Shiba Army. And I'm not saying that I'm even in on it. I'm not, because I don't have any money in on Shiba Army. I'm just letting you know about things I'm going to be doing. I'm buying the dip with Shiba Inu, and I'm also buying the dip with these smaller altcoins that give you reflections in Shiba Inu. The same thing with the altcoins that give you reflections in Dogecoin, in Binance Coin, inside Ethereum, Solid ETH, ADA Cash. They give you reflections in Cardano. So that's why I'm buying a lot of these coins. And look, Binance Coin is number 3 on the trending search. So Shiba Inu, there's a lot of potential here with Shiba Inu. But if you do stuff like this, where you buy the dip on Shiba Inu, and you also buy the dip on these altcoins that give you reflections in Shiba Inu, it's like a double-edged sword. Now you're getting money from all over the place. So there's definitely a lot of potential with all of these different types of stuff. So the fully diluted market cap of this Shiba Army coin is $789,000. Now, it did have a pump once it started, and now it's all the way down. But a lot of people are counting stuff like this out, which is exactly why I'm counting them in, because I love to go against the grain. I don't believe this is a scam. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I know all about the Shiba Army coin, but it gives 8% Shiba rewards. So I may do a whole video on this alone, and I know a lot of people in the Shiba Army know about this. So there's definitely potential here. I don't want everyone to think that I'm 100% all in on this. I don't know anything about it, but I do know they give rewards in Sheep, and I'm definitely going to look into it. So let's continue to look at different stuff that we have going on for Sheep. So the next thing I want to talk about is this Shiba Inu confers capitalization setup with tons of upside potential. So they're predicting that Sheep actually has some more upside potential. That is only if Bitcoin continues to go up. If Bitcoin starts to recover and stops going down and hops back on the bull market trend, then you'll see Shiba Inu do the same. Now, what they mean here by the capitalization, what they mean here by the setting up of tons of upside potential here is this area right here. This is our supply and demand. There's lots of demand for Shiba Inu here. And as you can see, we had some nice support. So they're just talking about pretty much what we're looking at now. Like, we're definitely going to have an uptrend once we hit the supply and demand. But if Bitcoin drops again, like I said, we're definitely going to go down with it. So, Bitcoin is like the thing that's going to pull everyone down. Like there's a ship sinking, and then Bitcoin's the person that's going to grab onto your coattail and take you under with them. So anyways, let's talk about other stuff inside of this Sheep. So as you can see, we now have 1,039,064 people in Sheep. And actually, we are almost at 1.1 million people in Sheep. So I'm definitely happy to see what happens there. And also, inside of our fundamentals, remember, we are getting a lot of stuff going on with Shiba Inu. So over here, Kraken is already, Kraken's definitely going to be with us. We got Kraken with us. I mean, we got a lot of stuff going on for Shiba Inu. We got a game that's coming out with William Volk being the developer. He's really big inside the video game development world. We have Newegg about to accept us. So we have a lot of stuff going on with Shiba Inu. So we're not getting counted out of the equation. We definitely have a lot of fundamentals growing as we continue to go on this uprise. So major catalyst for Shiba Inu coming in the near future. We just have to wait for this bear market to end, so then we can eventually hit our bull market. Now, I want to mention some other things about Shiba Inu here. Over here, you can see this is with the whole Bitmart exchange, the whole scam, or not even scam, the whole hack that happened with Bitmart and them stealing people's coins. A little bit of Shiba Inu got stolen as well. So this is Shiba Inu's little message out there to the Bitmart people. But this is just to let you all know you want to be careful. Do not click on random links. Never give your seed phrases to anyone. And also, what this is really also telling you about is DeFi is the way to go. Like, you can still lose a lot of money on DeFi just as easily as you can on CeFi, but DeFi makes it your responsibility. See, on the centralized exchange, it was Bitmart's screw up. They messed up and they got everyone's money taken away. Somehow their stuff got compromised. Someone along the lines of their team messed up, and that's how the compromisation happened. Now, it would be all up to you if you had your money on DeFi. It wouldn't be up to them whether your money got stolen. It would be all up to you and your mishaps. So if you made a mistake, it would be all your fault. But now it's all theirs. But see, a lot of exchanges like Bitmart have some FDIC insurance where you have up to $250,000 insured. I don't know if Bitmart does, but I think Voyager does. And I think there's also a few other ones that operate like that. Like they operate like actual banks. So this is just to say it's all a risk here inside the crypto market, and you can never 100% be sure about anything. But anyways, over here you see Sheep is hot on Twitter. Shout out to this person from the Sheep Army Reddit. This person's name is Robot212. This person says Sheep is hot on Twitter. We are doing very good, and let's do Sheep Army a favor by tweeting, speaking, promoting all this stuff to make the Shiba Army stronger. So as you can see, top 10 cryptos mentioned on Twitter this week. Shiba Inu as the ranked number 2. So that's actually pretty big. Bitcoin ranked as number 1. Ethereum ranked number 3. Pancake Swap number 4. Doge number 5. And Cardano and then all this other good stuff. But I'm definitely pretty happy to see that Shiba Inu is ranked number 2 right there. So anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.